I'm right in the middle of doing an improvement repair for one of my traders on the rear wheel arch of this Renault Twingo. But just look at the high spot running through this panel. It's got to be about 10 inches long. You can see it without the line board, just sort of looking around that ridge just above the wheel arch curve. Almost looks like a body line that's supposed to be there, but it's definitely not. It looks like the outer skin has lightly pressed against some internal bracing. And as I move my line board again from this angle, you can really see those lines pinched together, and that high spot, that crease, runs right across the width of the panel. Well, looks like I'm in for some serious tap down work. Let's go. So after what felt like a 10,000 tap downs, the panel's starting to look pretty good. I've got that curve back, the lines are reading true. There are some small little imperfections, some little dimples from my tap down. But as I say, this is for one of my traders and it's an improvement only repair. Unfortunately, it's got some paint damage, some scratches running through the wheel arch. But my client's going to flat and polish the whole panel. And by the time they're finished, we should be looking pretty good.